welcome back to my channel, Aesthetics with me. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a theme on an Android device because a lot of people have been requesting, and I have a video showing how to edit on Android, and this is like part 2, I guess, because Android finally has the avalon. They finally released it, yay. So yeah, and these are the apps you're going to need: Prequel, Color Tone, and Font. So first you're going to go into Prequel, first you're going to save the video that you want to edit, but I already have it saved, I think. Okay, so you're going to import the video. Okay, so you're going to go into Adjust, and you're going to put the exposure all the way down, put the contrast all the way down, put Sharpen to 25. That's 24, but it's fine. Put highlights all the way down and put shadows to 50. And then you're going to go into this effects, and you are going to, what do you click on? So you're going to have to find the filter. It's called Dust, and it looks like this. And you're going to put all of these to 100. Except for this one. I don't know what this does. Oh, no, we don't want that. So you put that to 0. And then you go into the effects or filters. And you're going to find the filter Stockholm. And it's kind of hard to find them because they're like very far away, I guess you could say. I don't know. But yeah, and you're going to put that to 75. And then you're going to save it to your camera roll. And this takes forever, so... Okay, so I have mine saved. And now you go into the app Color Tone. And, and you click on Video. And you import the video we just added the coloring to. And then you add the filter Avalon. And you put the intensity to 75. Or no, 70 actually. And then you export it. Okay, so then you go into the app Font, and you click on this little, it's like a movie icon thingy. It's at the top right corner, and you click it. And then you import the video you just added all the filters to. So here it is. And then you click on this little pencil thingy, and you add your text. So you could add you could just write the title of your video. And the font you are going to use for this one is Love. So, oops. Then you just size it down. And then you add another text, and the font is going to be Garlic Salt. And you're going to add this little, no, it's not little. No, it's this, yes. This rectangle. And you make the color gray. Yeah, it's not this one. I think it's the bigger one. Yes, this one. Okay. Okay, and then you're going to add another text, and you're going to stay on the font Garlic Salt. And you are going to add this. No, it's not this. Yes, this little bookmark icon, I guess. And it's going to be gray. Okay. And then you're just going to click on it and click Style, and you're just going to add shadow to it and blur it a bit. Hold up, I need to move these. No, I messed up. of these up here. Let me just fix this. Okay, and you're gonna stay on the font garlic salt, and you're going to add a, nope, a line. No, not that. Yes, a line. And you're going to make the color white, and you are going to make the size bigger. And then you can write, and then you can write your question, which is, have a YouTube channel. And the font for this is, and then you're just going to make the size smaller, and you are going to duplicate the little line. Okay, and then you're going to add you're going to use the font butterfly, and you can just add, let's see, no, not that one. If I can, this, done. And you're just going to add a butterfly to this like corner up here. And then you are going to go back onto the font garlic salt, and you can just pick any of the icons, the little icons here. So I'll pick the sun, I guess, because I couldn't find the heart font on here that I was originally going to use. And you are going to make this gray, but you're going to make it a darker gray than the one you used for the little bookmark thing. And you can just put it there. You can use a different font, but I couldn't find a font I liked, so I guess I'll just go with that. And then you're going to write your username, which mine is. And the font you're going to use for your username is I Love Glitter. So mine is yes. And you are going to make that white, and you are going to make that size smaller. I want it to be smaller. No, not that small. And there you go. Then you can just save this to your camera roll. So for some reason, the video from Vaunt wouldn't save to the camera roll, but I don't know why, but yours probably will. So after you save it, you're going to go back onto color tone, import the video, and you're going to put the filter Avalon once again, but this time you're going to put it down to 25. And there you go. You have your little video, you have your video all complete, and that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed.